Hey, this is Tim. Today we got a '07 Dodge Caliber. It's got towed here and no start. Let's see here. Nothing. Alright. I banged on the starter, tapped on it, and she turned over a little bit, so we're going to be doing the starter on here. So you want to take the battery out, undo your throttle, body intake hose, and we'll get all this out of the way. Okay, I got one out. You got one on the bottom, down here on the bottom. It's hard to see, but it's gonna be a 15. I'm gonna undo the ones on the side here that goes around the throttle body. It's a little bracket. It's gonna be a 13, and then you got two 10s right there. Two 10s right there on your throttle body. And then you got another 15 right there, right here, where your ground strap goes. So you got two 15s, you take out this 13 and two 10s on your throttle body just to move this little bracket out of the way. That's what I'm gonna show you. All right, once you get those off, like I said, two 10s and a 13 there. We'll pull this bracket off right here. That bracket right there. I'm just doing that to get out of the way. And then you got another 15 right there. Right there. We're gonna get that off, pull the starter up. I'm just kind of doing the last bolt like this. If I can get it in there, you're gonna have to use a short 15. Because you ain't got no room back here where the transmission is. I get it where you can get it by your fingers. Oh, not yet. A little time consuming, but really the only way you can do it. Alright, that bolt out, which goes to the ground strap. Make sure you put that back on. They're both the same, so don't worry about mixing them up. Now, you can pull your starter up and you pull it up from here, which is a pain in the butt. So I'll need two hands here. Alright, once you pull it through, it's kind of turned upside down. You're going to have it where the switch. You unplug the switch. And then you'll have the power. I think that's a 13. We'll take that off. Alright, once you get that line off there, just kind of manipulate it around everything and go and pull it out. Alright, we got the new one. Got it in Napa, part number 2446972. Make sure you plug in your switch here. I'm gonna put a new end on mine. I don't like the way that one looks, so I'm gonna make a new end for it, clean these terminals. I'm gonna put this back in. Remember, when you put it in, you got to put it where the engages on the towards the engine, because the flywheel's that way. Make sure you have or you connect the solenoid on top and you push it down in here, and then you're just gonna have to maneuver it. I'm gonna have to do it with 2 hands, but you're just gonna have to snake it in there. What I found the easiest way to get it in is just kind of get the make sure you don't hit that knock sensor in there. Kind of maneuver around that knock sensor, and it'll slide right in, and just start your top bolt there, and then put it in your bottom bolt. All right, get everything hooked up. I had to undo that bottom hose, so I'm gonna add a little coolant to it. You might try to get around it. If you want to, you can, but I found it easier to do it like that. So let's see if we start up here. All right, moment of truth. Oh yeah. All right, no one done at Tim's Auto. Thanks for watching.